If you're wondering how to level up your YouTube content quickly and efficiently, you need to know about the newly released YouTube Dubbing AI. In this video, I'll cover the 7 most important things you need to know about this software. And by the end, you'll know exactly how it can revolutionize your content creation process. And the best part? You can try this software completely free using the first link below. Now, what makes YouTube Dubbing AI stand out from other AI tools on the market? First off, the software is designed to take your videos and instantly dub them into different languages with near perfect accuracy. It's not just about subtitles, it's about creating natural sounding voiceovers that can help you expand your reach globally, all while saving you a ton of time. Let's dive into the crucial points. The software uses advanced AI voice synthesis that mimics human tones, accents, and emotions. This isn't your typical robotic translation, it sounds like a native speaker, ensuring your audience can feel the same emotion in a different language. Whether you're targeting a new market or just want to improve accessibility, this AI makes it possible without hiring multiple voice actors. Another huge benefit of YouTube Dubbing AI is its scalability. If you're managing multiple videos or channels, you'll appreciate how easily it scales. Instead of spending hours recording voiceovers for each video, you can input the text, select the language, and within minutes, have your content dubbed perfectly. It's a game changer for content creators who want to keep up with the growing demand for localized content without hiring an entire team. The accuracy is what sets this software apart. YouTube Dubbing AI doesn't just translate word for word, it understands context. This means your content won't lose its meaning in translation, which is often a challenge with other dubbing services. This AI makes sure that the voiceover matches the tone, pace, and feel of the original content. One of the most unique features is its customization options. You can adjust the voice settings to match different moods, speech patterns, and even regional accents. If you're aiming for a specific audience or cultural group, YouTube Dubbing AI allows you to create the perfect voiceover that resonates with your viewers. Now let's talk about the ease of use. The interface is incredibly intuitive, even for those who aren't tech savvy. You simply upload your video, choose the languages you want, and hit dub. YouTube Dubbing AI handles the rest, plus it's cloud-based, so there's no need to download large files or deal with complicated installations. As a content creator, you'll appreciate the time saved with this software. Producing localized content can often take days or even weeks, but with YouTube Dubbing AI, you can complete the task in a matter of hours. This means you can focus more on creating fresh content and less on post-production. And of course, the software is constantly improving. YouTube Dubbing AI is powered by machine learning, so the more it's used, the more accurate and natural it becomes. With continuous updates, you can expect even better results over time. Remember, this is a new release, so you have a chance to get in on the ground floor. The potential for your YouTube channel's growth with this AI is limitless, and using it early will give you a competitive edge in a crowded market. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out the recommended AI software in the description. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and these are the ones I personally recommend after extensive testing. And as always, you can try YouTube Dubbing AI for free through the link below. If you found this review helpful, make sure to explore these tools and take your content creation to the next level.